Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Wimby Socialine and welcome. In today's video we are going to be cleaning up our washing machine. So our washing machine, we got it as a pre-loved, we bought it as a second hand, and we never got a chance to clean it up. So today we said, why not, let's clean this up. So to clean our washing machine, we are going to be using this concoction that I've just made. It's a mixture of white vinegar, bicarbonate of soda, and dishwashing liquid, which is not here, to make this mixture. And then I have essential oil that I'm going to use as we go. And then I have this toothbrush and dustpan and a micro fabric that I'm going to use to clean. So yeah, that's it guys, sit back and enjoy. So for us to get started, let's see how it is first. This thing is so dirty guys, and you ought have to clean up your machine so that it keeps up its performance and it's not smelly and all that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how our machine is looking. This thing is literally dirty. I don't know how the person was using it, but yeah, this is how it looks. Oh my god, this is how it's looking. And oh my god, hopefully we are going to get this thing clean. And then let's go to the drum. This is how it's looking. Oh my god. And already we've got this dirty, and it's literally dirty. Hopefully we are going to pull this out. And then lastly, we are going to go to this part. I hope we're going to get this clean. So yeah, let's get into it guys. To start off, I'm going to soak this thing off. I'm going to soak this thing, and then we are going to spray our mixture on this rubber. So yeah, let's do it. Looks, oh my god, sis. Okay, so let's open up to remove this thing. It's not that hard. That's it, and we're going to soak it in our sink. Oh goodness, I don't know how this person was using this machine. Look how dirty it is. I don't know if you're going to get this clean as much as we want. So in the sink, in my sink, I'm going to put my white vinegar in, and I'm going to add my dishwashing liquid and just soak it off. Yeah guys, oh my god. And then I'm going to get my spray, the mixture that I've made. Then I'm just going to spray it in, so that by the time we come back to it, it will be a bit moist and easy. Whew. Oh my god. Okay, so let's go to this part here. Just going to remove these curtain hooks that we have, and then we are going to spray again this part. As much as we can. So yeah, since we have soaked this part, we're just going to leave it for some time. And let's go to our filter. So this filter, that's where some coins and what there's excess water that comes here. So we are going to wash this part, and this part we're going to put it in our sink. And then now we can use our dustpan. I'm just going to put it here, and our chikorobo close to us, because when we open this part, there's going to be some water coming out. So yeah, we get this thing and we open here. Ooh, there is some water coming out, and it's so dirty, as you can see. It's so dirty. There's a lot of water there. I think I'm going to close so that I can empty my dust pan. It's almost full. Stinks. Oh my god, it smells so bad. Look guys, oh my god, oh my Jesus, this is a lot of water. Lots of water. So now we come to this part. Oh my god, I can't even open it, babe. Oh my god, I love Korean. So let's open bijana so that you'll be able to. Oh my god, stinks. So there's this thing, guys. We are going to clean it also. We are going to soak it, and there's this part. So for this part, we are going to also use our toothbrush and our concoction. So I'm just going to spray in. Oof. And then we use our toothbrush to just clean. So now let's clean this part. Oh my god. So I'm gonna use this brush, soak it a bit, and we need to be very careful so that we're not going to drop our toothbrush in, or else it's going to be another story. Guys, I wish you could smell the smell that I'm smelling right now. It's not pleasant at all. But okay, we move. Let's check the progress. So now takumboya to this part sinoisota tunosvika papi. I think after this video, then I was, my name is Mbaling Chapo. I am your housekeeper. This thing, you have to remove it. So we're going to spray this glass. That's where we are going to use our microfiber cloth to wipe off this thing. We're going to soak it a bit. Then for the meantime, let's go to this rubber. I don't think we are going to pull this thing today. Yani what a shot. This is it after a long struggle. So now let me show you how we did, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was something else. And then, so this is the filter that we cleaned. Oh my god. That we cleaned. So we're just replacing it back to its position, and then switch clockwise. Make sure it's tight so that we won't have any leakage. And here we're going to close this up and push it back. Yeah, then we are going to close this part. Woo! Let's come to this one. Unfortunately, for this one we couldn't get this completely out. Hopefully when we are doing it for the next time, it's going to come off. It's a bit stained. So yeah, guys, that's it. Great improvement. So, and this part, it's a bit stained again, but at least, as you can see, there is an improvement and it's no longer stinking as it was. So yeah, guys, so now the last thing that we're going to do is drum cleaning, which we are going to use our bicarbonate of soda. So I used this one. Yeah, so I'm just going to put it directly onto the drum, and then all of it, right? Then yeah, we are going to close and on, and then let's put on 90 degrees. That's the highest temperature that we have here, so we're going to put it on 90 degrees. And then yeah, guys, so that's it for the video. Oh my god, so we're just going to leave it to drum clean for like an hour or so. So yeah, until the next video, bye.